selection sort. Sorting is one of the operation which we can perform on the data structure in order to arrange data elements in ascending or descending order. Sorting can be divided into two categories: internal sorting, external sorting. Internal sorting means the internal sorting take place in the main memory of the computer. Internal sorting is used when data is to be sort. Selection sort is the type of internal sorting. And after that we see the program. Here we include all the header file. Include stdio.h, and after that in int main function we declare all that variable we want to initialize or used in this program. I for indexing, int I is in I, and j for swap. J for swapping element, and n for storing that element. Log for location, min for minimum element, temp for variable that is used to swapping the elements, and lastly we declare array and their size. Suppose we take 30 size of that array, and after that we use printf function. Printf function for enter the size of array. Enter the size of array, column, and after that semicolon. After that we use scanf function for read that value, and percent d comma and %n, and %n used for storing the value and or size. Then we used printf function for enter and % element. Enter % element, %d element, column /n, and after that the comma and n, because we store the size of array in n variable. Then semicolon. After that we use for loop. Here we initialize I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus means we used increment operator for increase the I value by 1. Give the space between it. In it we use scanf operator. Scanf is a input operator in C language. %d and %a of I means indexing. End with semicolon. After that enter, and we used for loop. In that for loop we again initialize I is equal to 0. I is less than n minus 1, and after that I plus plus. After that we give some conditions. In it mean that minimum element is equal to a of I, and lock means the location equal to I, and after that we again used for loop j equal to I plus 1, and then j is less than n and j plus plus, that we used increment operator on the j, hence j increased by 1 by each iteration. After that we give if statement. In if statement we give condition, that is minimum element is greater than a of j, and after that minimum element is equal to a of j, and lock means location equal to j's only. After that we use swapping logic. Term is equal to a of I, semicolon, and a of I is equal to a of lock means location of that variable, and after that a of lock equal to temp. In all swapping program, in all programming language, the swapping logic is same. After that, print the sorted array with printf function. The sorted array is column /n, and after that end with semicolon. After that we used for loop for read that sorted array elements. In for loop we again initialize I is equal to 0, semicolon, I is less than n and I plus plus. And give space in it. After that we give conditions in for loop that print all that element in ascending in sorted array. %d, then a of I. After that we give column. After that we use return 0 because we used int main. Semicolon. Again we check our and I can explain that. Firstly here we include stdir, that is in int main we include all that we initialize all that variable that we want and also array size. Next, we printf enter the size of array and store with the help of n. Printf enter %d element, and that element are read by a for loop with the help of scanf operator. After that, we used for loop. We use for loop, and after the for loop we will take a mean variable. See here, we used a mean variable which is equal to a of I, and location will equal to I. We give that condition. Then for next element of array, we have taken j variable which is equal to I, and which is equal to 1, and it also should be less than total number of array element. After that, we used swapping logic, and then last we used printf function to display the sorted array. Let's see the output. I run the program. Wait a minute, something went wrong. We check the output again. Then enter the size of array element. Suppose we take 5, enter 5 element, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 6. The code is successfully executed, and after that I hope you understand the program successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like. Thanks.